Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I want to play more with color. I'm known for my natural warm tones makeup, and I rarely play with color, and if I do, it's very lightly. So today, that's what we're gonna do. I want to do something for spring that is coming up. Actually right now it's raining outside and I'm like if it were spring or summer, but I'm freezing, let me tell you that. But yeah, hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this face, and let's get started. Okay, so I've already done my skincare, so I'm first gonna start with the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. I love this product to use it as a primer when I want a really glowy base for my makeup. You could absolutely use it alone. I've used it many times alone when I just want my skin to look super glowy because it's a serum. I just love how this looks under makeup. And for today's look, I want to go with a super dewy foundation, skin, and with the pop of color in the eyes. Very TikTok. So many sides when it comes to TikTok. Like, you've got the more edgy girls or the more like soft liner girls, and then you've got the ones who do like natural looks but with color. That's why makeup is really fun. Okay, then for the foundation, I'm gonna use the Sephora SClean Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. I use the shade 7, and I'm just gonna apply it with the Moda complexion brush. What I love about this foundation, it's that gives you a super glowy look to your face, but it doesn't look like super that you have a lot of makeup. Been really enjoying this type of foundation. Still covers any redness I have in my skin, but it's not like super full coverage. And I'm just gonna go over it with a beauty blender just to blend it out a bit more. For concealer, I'm gonna use a Glossier Stretch Concealer, and I love this concealer. It doesn't look cakey under my eyes or anything, because concealers tend to do that with me. I do not know why. Maybe my under eyes are super dry. With this concealer, even when I apply powder, it still looks very smooth and not cakey at all. So if you like that, I really recommend this concealer. I'm also going to take it over any blemishes or redness I see, because it's that time of the month. So exciting! So excited! So excited! So excited! Look at that! And again, beauty blender, and just blend it out a bit more. Not too much. For setting my under eyes only, I'm gonna go with the Glossier Wowder, and just gonna set my under eyes. I am going to take a fluffy brush just to really just set the under eyes. I don't want to set anywhere else because I still want it to look still look glowy, but concealers do tend to crease on me, so I still gotta powder under there. Alright, the rest of my makeup, I still wanted it to look like super glowy, super natural. So I'm gonna be mainly using only cream products. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. And this is the shade 03 Macchiato. I love this bronzer. It's a great cream bronzer. It's more on the balmy side. So you can see, once you apply it to your face, you can barely see it. And this shade is a between of a contour and a bronzing shade, so that's why I love it, even right now with my pale skin. I'm just gonna take this ColourPop F29 brush and start I went like this. Like there's no fallout, girl. It's a cream product. Just gonna apply it. And I'm gonna do a W shape to give it more of a sun-kissed look. I'm just going over with the Beauty Blender to blend it out. Blend it in, blend it out. Okay, so for a highlighter, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filt'r product. I just wanted to keep still the makeup like super natural, so that's my favorite highlighter or product to use when I want a more natural highlight. So just apply this here and blend it out. No, I know. Now for blush, I'm gonna go with this Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in Do We Know Her. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of powder, and I'm gonna use the blush first and then go over with the cream blush just to make it a little bit more natural looking. But I want the powder because you have a base for the cream. And then with my Beauty Blender, I'm gonna take the cream blush. Ooh. Ooh. Too much. Take a clean side of the Beauty Blender and blend it out, because that was too much. It looks pretty, but too much. I'm just gonna go over a bit with the bronzer because the blush over-powdered it. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and maybe come back with one eye done just to see if what I am envisioning in my head is gonna come out. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright, so eyebrows are done. I used the Revolution soap brow, which is very similar to the Patrick Ta brow wax, which I love. I have the tinted version. They actually have a clear version of this one, but I really do like this one. I like how my eyebrows feel, so I would say it's a dupe for this one, and it's only $7. I actually bought mine at Target, but I know they also sell it at Ulta. Alright, so as you can see, one eye is done. Super natural. So I'm gonna show you on this side what I did in this side. Okay, so I'm gonna start by applying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. Just going to apply it on my eyelid. So I'll be using the Morphe x Maddie Ziegler, the Imagination palette. I'm gonna start with M3, which is a light brown transition color. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that into my crease just to give my eye a little bit more definition. So I'm gonna apply a little bit here because I'm gonna bring this shade to my lower lash line because I want to elongate my eye. And then with like a pencil brush, gonna take that exact same shade and apply it to my lower lash line and really wing it out here. As you can see in this eye, you're not going to be able to see that brown. I'm just applying it just to give the illusion of a more elongated eye. That's why I try to bring my eyeshadows a little bit more straight and out. If you have round eyes like I do and want that Kendall Jenner, Gigi Hadid, almond, pull out foxy eyes, this is a great tip. Now I'm gonna go with the shade 5 and take this ColourPop E25 brush, really pack it in all in our lid. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush and just trying to blend it into the brown. It's gonna be a little bit difficult, but we don't want it like a super harsh line. And then because this shade is more of a matte shade, I still want a little bit of shimmer in the eyes. So I'm gonna use the Morphe X James Charles palette. Take this shade, which is Hello. Apply it over that blue. Be applied first. Now I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner in Serum in the shade Brown. I'm gonna do a tiny wing. Then I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner in the shade Bold Brown. Apply it to my upper waterline. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I'll be right back. Look at this! Wow! I just want an inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I'm gonna take the shade Forever Lit. I'm gonna take this shade because it has a little bit of a blue reflect to it. So, okay. Alright, now, last but not least, are we feeling freckles? Should we? Yeah, let's just, we can do it. Okay, so we're gonna do freckles, and I'm gonna use Freck. It's just a little product you can now buy in Sephora and do some freckles. I don't have a method of doing it. I just do a lot of dots and then just blot it, so. Alright, cute! Okay, for lips, I'm gonna line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Caramel Peanut Butter. And look, and I found the golden ticket! If you know, I mean, I already told you the movie, The Golden Ticket, but if you know, you know. Now I'm gonna apply the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Amber. Oh my god! Wow! I'm just gonna set my face or indicate all nighter. I never do this, but really feeling this makeup. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Ooh. And we are done. Alright, and that is today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really happy how it came out. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just knew I wanted blue and natural. That's all I knew. So hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see me do. You could also subscribe to my channel if you like this video and want to see more of this lovely face. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave down here and in the description box below. All products that I mentioned today are going to be listed in the description box. And yeah, I love you so much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!